Been thinking about you, your red curtain here, your eyes on my wall, your teeth are red, but I'm still no one, and you're not a star. What do you care? Been thinking about you, and there's no rest. Should I still love you, still see you in bed, but I'm playing with myself. What do you care when the other men are far, far better? All the things you got, all the things you need. Who bought you cigarettes? Who bribed the company to come and see you, honey? I've been thinking about you, so how can you sleep? These people aren't your friends, they're paid to kiss your feet. They don't know what I know, and why should you care when I'm not there? You, and there's no rest. Should I still love you, still see you in bed, but I'm playing with myself. Why do you care when I'm not?